Hello guys, my name is Khushbu Jhawar and welcome back to the video. So in today's video, we are going to see 10 things college students must do to develop themselves. Number 1. Read books. Reading books has been considered very boring in college. Every student studying in college has the ability to choose between good and bad, right and wrong. Those students who have been studying many books in college life have become more successful in life. It doesn't matter what book you are reading, but make sure you gain some knowledge which can make your life positive. College time is a precious time which will never come back to you once passed away. You have open library which is not used by many people, hence you have a massive opportunity because adults pay for libraries. You are young, have lot of time and therefore can read as many books as possible. Make a habit of reading your favorite book for at least 15 minutes a day and see the magic in 6 months. Number 2. Study a side course. If you have friends or relatives who say courses will never help, leave all that, you go and enjoy, you have only one life, then you need to stay a little bit away from them. You cannot get the whole knowledge or experience in college or school books. Of course, they are important, but they cannot tell you everything. Getting an affordable side course is very important and it can be a life-changing decision for you. You do not have to force your parents to pay for a side course. You can search for a part-time, earn by yourself and take a course for yourself. This will motivate you to feel good about yourself and you will also complete the course because this time it's your own money. If you have already decided your area of interest and you want to learn something, check out this link. This app has a few affordable courses. Number 3. Learn about saving. No matter how much you earn and get pocket money, it's always better to save your money properly. To know more about this, I have made a separate video where you can click on the I button and watch the video, and I've given the link also in the description. Number 4. Learn communication. Speaking different language is really tough. But if you learn this in college itself, you will have many opportunities later in life. I have personally seen many people struggling to get a job because they don't know how to communicate. So it's always better to learn communication in college either by a course or speaking with people. Number 5. Learn skills. Skills and knowledge are two different things. You never know what is coming your way, which opportunity will come to you. So it's always better that you hear the intuition and know your inner self. By this you will get to know about your skills, field of interest, and you will start improving that with your hard work and smart work. Number 6. Go for a trip. Since you are young, you have lot of time and energy. You can go for trips and discover more and more places. Talk to many random people and discover more about everything. The sad reality is college students feel shy and sometimes feel comfortable only with their groups. Number 7. Have friendship with everyone around you. There is no use of fighting with anyone. It takes only a minute to fight with others. But let's think about this with a different mindset. If you have respect for others, give them real good compliments about them. Then it is more likely that people will listen to you, and in emergency if you need any help, you can ask them as well. Isn't it good to have someone when you are in trouble? So always have good relation with everyone. When your personal bonding gets improved, you have more connections. Number 8. Get a part-time job. Any job related or non-related to your field is always good. You use your time to get paid instead of roaming around. Moreover, you get experience and you can look for what is working for you and what's not working. It saves time and energy and is really powerful. Number 9. Go for internships. 1 or 2 months of internship is provided from every college to give you a taste of what will happen after you finish college. Never skip that because you can work for a month or 2 and check if that work suits you. Your opportunity towards a successful career starts from then. Number 10. Develop yourself. Know more about yourself. Do what you like. Make the most of your time. Work hard, work smart. Learn more about money, saving, investing, and always be happy. This is the only way to be successful and happy in life. So these were a few ways where you can improve yourself being a college student. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.